In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prioritize tasks in Monday.com. We'll organize your tasks so the items with the closest deadlines rise to the top. I'll walk you through setting an ascending sort by due date on your board, which is a simple way to see what needs attention first. Start by opening Monday.com and navigating to the board or view labeled Trial Management. Task 1. If you're following along in a different board, the process is exactly the same. Once the board loads, look toward the top area where the board controls appear. Click the highlighted control you see on screen. This opens the sorting options for your current view. If there's already a sort in place, you'll see it listed here. If not, we're about to add one. In the menu that appears, choose the column you want to sort by and click Due Date. This tells Monday.com that deadlines are the basis for your prioritization. Make sure your due date column is visible on the board. If it isn't, bring it into view so the sort works properly. Next, click the highlighted toggle or small arrow next to due date to open the sort direction. This is where you decide how the dates should line up. Select Ascending. Ascending means the earliest dates come first, followed by later ones, and tasks without a date are typically pushed to the bottom. This view is perfect for daily stand-ups or sprint planning because it immediately surfaces what needs attention today and this week. If you ever need the opposite perspective, like when you're planning capacity for longer term work, you can switch it to descending using the same control. As soon as ascending is selected, your items will reorder automatically. Take a moment to scan the top few tasks and confirm today's and tomorrow's items now appear at the top. If something looks off, check that each relevant item actually has a due date and that the date format in your workspace is consistent. A couple of quick tips to keep things clean. Avoid assigning past dates unless the task truly slipped, since those will jump to the top and can crowd the view. And try to keep subitems aligned with their parent task's due date so your timeline makes sense at a glance. If your workspace supports saving views, consider saving this sorted layout as the default, so everyone lands on the same prioritized list when they open the board. That's it. Your tasks are now prioritized by due date in ascending order, giving you a clear, actionable to-do list every time you log in.